Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Fontaines DC, Sundowner. Alright, it's a cool song, a little bit dark gray. Imagine that if you think in colors. Sundowner, let's take a look at this nice song with the capo set on the 3rd fret, the easiest scenario for us. And with that, we have 3 chords only. Alright, so let's go over the chords and we'll start with C. Okay, and it goes 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is E minor. Very easy to grab that one. It goes open E string, then 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have a bar chord, that's the B minor. Alright, so you bar the 2nd fret here and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th fret on G, and 3rd on the B string. Alright, so we're gonna learn the strumming now. So we have a strumming that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the transition here for the first 2 chords, C to E minor. Alright, so the first part is played for C. So if you grab that chord, you're gonna play down, up, down, up. So down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. And then you shift to the next chord, in this case the E minor, and play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So a down first, and then a pause, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So pretty much up, downs for 3 times, and then an extra up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and that is the part 2. So if you connect these 2 chords and strumming patterns, so that will sound like this. Okay, so now when we understand that, we just build this song together, and we learned this shift between C to E minor. Now you're gonna play that shift for 3 rounds, so that will be and then the 4th round, you're gonna play B minor instead of C. So B minor is played for part 1, down, up, and then E minor in the same way, part 2, as you played them before, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the 4th round will be and you know what? You just repeat all these 4 rounds from the beginning till the very end. So C part 1, E minor part 2 for 3 rounds, and then 4th round, B minor part 1 and E minor part 2, and you just repeat it. So I'm gonna take you through 2 rounds of this, so let's do it. Very easy, guys. So good luck with Fontaines DC, Sundowner. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, leave me some feedback on it. Thumb up, subscribe. That's the best scenario for me and helps me out. So give me motivation to go on. So thank you so much and play tuned.